Hi everyone, we are from Raghav School, from 9th. Myself Srinath.
Myself Raghavendra.
Myself Ligit.
Today we have done a project for school innovation. The project is called as RFID attendance system. RFID attendance system is a project to design as a track attendance by reading RFID cards and tags. This is a popular project is used in classrooms, office and events.
And the components used for this project are RFID reader module, RFID cards and tasks, LCD liquid crystal display, Arduino Uno, and connecting wires.
Functional features: logging time, add real time to model to track exact time, database integration, connect the system to database to store attendance. Multiple features: display the message depending on whether check in and out.
And the key features of this project are contactless operation, real-time feedback, secure identification, portable setup, flexible integration, and the applications are school classrooms, workplace access, member-based facilities, events check-in. So this is our working project. We have used Arduino Uno, liquid crystal display, and RFID card. So when we put a RFID card in front of RFID, it will shows that in the liquid crystal display is present. So when we put another card which is unidentified, it will show unauthorized access. So when we put unauthorized identity card, it will show unauthorized access. For giving such an opportunity to our Blossom School Secretary D. Shishkumar sir and all our teachers, which help her in doing the project, and special thanks to the Niti Ayog team, which sir provide an opportunity to perform technical activities. Thank you.
Thank you.